Welcome dear students. In this video, we are going to learn about components of blood. So let's begin. Blood is a red colored fluid material. It is fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue means it transports fluids, nutrients, waste and other chemical messengers throughout the body. The oxygenated blood is deep red colored, salty in taste and its pH is 7.4. pH means it is a scale used to specify acidity or basicity of a solution. It is potential of hydrogen or we can say power of hydrogen. It ranges from 0 to 14. So pH less than 7 means it is acidic and more than 7 means it is basic and 7 is neutral. So pH of blood is 7.4. Blood is composed of mainly two components, that is plasma and blood cells. See, we have this full table in our textbook. So first we will have a look at plasma. Plasma. Plasma is a pale yellow, clear and slightly alkaline fluid. It contains 90 to 92% of water, 6 to 8% of proteins, 1 to 2% inorganic salt and other components. As you all can see in the diagram, 55% of blood contains plasma. From that, we have 7% of proteins, which includes albumin, globulins, fibrinogen, and even prothrombin. Albumin distributes the water all over the body. Globulins protects or we can say fights against infections. Fibrinogen and prothrombin helps in blood clotting process, a process by which blood changes from liquid to gel, which means when we suffer from any injury or there is a injury in tissue, so it helps from excessive bleeding. Okay, so that's it for plasma. Now we will have a look at blood cells. Blood cells includes RBC, WBC and platelets. First we will begin with RBCs, that is red blood corpuscles. These are small, circular, enucleated cells, which means they do not have nucleus or the nucleus is removed from the cell. These cells appear red due to hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a red protein which is responsible for transporting oxygen in the blood. Oxygen dissolves in blood due to hemoglobin. 50 to 60 lakh RBCs are present in each cubic millimeter of blood. RBCs are produced in red bone marrow and live for about 100 to 127 days. Red bone marrow is found in center of most of the bones and has many blood vessels. Next we have is WBCs, that is white blood cells. These are large, nucleated and colorless cells. 5,000 to 10,000 WBCs are present per cubic millimeter of blood. They are produced in red bone marrow again. They act as soldiers in our body. Why soldiers? Because these cells attack the pathogens, which means disease causing bacteria which enter our body. They protect us from microbial infections. That is why they act as soldiers in our body. Now, these white blood cells are of five types. The first we have neutrophils. Neutrophils are a form of WBCs that are essential part of innate immune system. Second, we have eosinophils, which means they protect us from disease causing bacteria. Third, we have basophils. So basophils are an important part in immune system functioning. Next, we have monocytes. They fight certain infections and help other WBCs remove dead or damaged tissues. And next, we have lymphocytes. It is the main WBC for immune system which helps in fighting of infections. Next we have is platelets. These are extremely small and disc shaped. 2.5 to 4 lakh platelets are present per cubic millimeter of blood. And the main function of this platelet is to participate in blood clotting process. So as you all can see in the diagram, blood consists or the blood vessels consist of RBCs, WBCs, which are of 5 types, and platelets. That's it for this video, students. We will continue with the next topic in the next video. Thank you.